Hello, welcome to 12.3 day 1. Here's our problem of the day. So we have -8 equals a negative times x plus 4. So we are going to distribute that negative to both terms on the inside. So I'm going to bring this with my problem. It's going to be -8 equals negative times x gets me negative x, negative times 4 gets me negative. Okay, then I solve for x, so I'm going to add 4 to both sides. And then -8 plus a positive 4, different sign, so we're going to subtract 8 minus 4 is 4. Keep the sign of the bigger number, it's negative. Equals negative x. We need to get rid of that negative on the x. So I'm going, remember there's a magic 1 there next to any variable that has a negative, there's no number. So we're going to divide by -1, divide by -1. -4 divided by -1 gets you just 4 equals x. Okay. Now take this time to do this problem on your own on Nearpod. Let me know if you have questions. All right, hopefully you did that. So split your problem in half. You also had a negative you had to distribute to both terms inside the parentheses, so we're going to multiply. Well, first we're going to bring that 14 down because we don't do anything with that 14. If my pen would work. It's working so well. Okay, negative times p gets us negative p, and negative times a negative gets us a positive 8. Okay, now we solve for p. So I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides, -8. Okay, so we're going to be moving on to today's stuff. Ignore me erasing. So you're going to be finding the distance between 2 points using the Pythagorean Theorem. So we're going to subtract the x values and get this length of side A. And we're going to subtract the y values from the length of side B instead of the Pythagorean Theorem, and then solve for C, like you did before break. So we're going to find the distance between 2 points. So first we are going to subtract the y values. So I got x values, because our order pairs go x, comma y, so we're going to do the x's first. So I got 2 and -3. So I'm going to do this one. So I'm going to do 2 minus -3. And then flip change. Keep the first one, change the sign, flip the sign, change the second sign. So now I got 2 plus 3 gets me 5 equals A. Okay. Now we're going to do the second one. So we're going to start with the second y. So -2 minus 2 equals B. So I'm going to do keep, flip, change. Keep, flip, change. So now I got -2 plus -2. Negative plus a negative is going to be more negative. And 2 plus 2 is 4. So we got -4 equals B. All right, now we're just going to put these into our Pythagorean theorem, remember? So we got a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So I'm going to plug in a, which is 5. So 5 squared plus b, which is -4. -4 squared equals c squared. And now we're going to solve for c like we did before break. So 5 times 5, 25, plus -4 times -4 gives you 16 equals c squared. 25 plus 16, bring it at your handy dandy calculator. 25 plus 16 is 41. 41 equals c squared. Remember, to get rid of that squared, you have to do the square root. So we're going to take the square root of both sides and do that in their calculator. So I'm going to take the square root 6.4. Just take the first decimal point. You don't need that entire long thing. 6.4. So C equals 6.4. The most important thing today, I would say, take the second ordered pair and subtract it from the first one. So this one minus this one. This is first, this is second, and you have to subtract this one from this one. If you ever get 0, you did them the wrong way. Otherwise, let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day.